Hi everyone, today's video's topic is how to make money trading for beginners part 2. What is leverage? Leverage gives you the ability when trading to control much larger amount in a trade with a relatively small deposit, margin. It's like you're borrowing money to your broker to be able to place a bigger trade to make potentially a bigger profit. But regardless how your trade goes, the broker will take the money he borrowed you for this trade. Leverage can be good if you're doing multiple trades, but it can be dangerous if you don't use a good money management. What is risk management? What is your risk on each trade? What are you willing to lose if your trade doesn't go in your way? Never risk more than 2% of your trading capital on each trade, which means, for example, if the size of your trading account is £500, you cannot risk more than £10 on each trade. The risk reward ratio is about making sure you're not risking less than what you're planning to make on a trade. Let's take this example. If you got a £500 trading account and you enter in a trade, you decide to place your trade, your risk is 2%, which would be £10. Your profit target would be £20. That would be a 2-to-1 risk ratio, for example. It could be a 1-to-1 risk ratio depending on the market condition. If the market is not volatile, in the summertime, for example. Stop loss, take profit, you can set them up when you place a trade for your trade to close automatically when you get to your profit or your loss to make sure you're not losing more than what you're willing to lose. We'll talk more about risk management in my next video. Market move. Market can move in 3 different ways. We've got the uptrend in here. The market can only go up or down or sideways, right? That's the only way the market can move. There is the uptrends, downtrends, and the sideways trends. What is a trading indicators? Forex technical analysis indicators are usually used to forecast price change on the currency market. They are calculations which take the volume and price of a certain financial instrument into account. By using Forex indicators, trader can make decisions about market entry and exit. Indicators are a set of tools applied of a trading chart that help make the market more clear. There's more videos to come about trading indicators. Candlestick. How candlestick work? Let me explain to you. What you can see here is the candlestick body, right? The candlestick open here. Basically, the price went higher, a bit higher, that's why you can say the wick, before dropping down. All this low, but you end up coming here. That's when the candlestick close in here. Basically, that's the higher candlestick reach, and that's the lower the candlestick reach, and that's when it close. It open here, and how I know it open here, the candlestick, because the price drop. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is the process of breaking down the impact of the political, economic, and social factor on the relative value of a currency. Through identifying the primary driver of a currency's intrinsic value, Forex participants are then able to craft informed trading decisions. We got access to the economic calendar, which tell us when there is a major news about any currency. Measures news could increase the market volatility for the currencies involved in the news. I don't recommend to trade when there is a major news on the economic calendar. If you enter in a trade using a currency involved in a major news, it could make it hit your stop loss due to volatility, and then go to your favor. Stay away from major news. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a range of a technique used to try and forecast future price movement of a financial product based on historical price, movement, and pattern. Foreign exchange markets are particularly well suited to using technical analysis, support, resistance, indicators, trends, and chart pattern. The next video will be about risk management, which is one of the most important things in Forex. I will upload every Sunday market analysis video, which I will explain what I think of the current market, what could be a trading opportunity in the weeks coming. I will start the 1K account challenger also. I will start a new trading account with 1K, and every week I will upload a video about how was this trading week, and I will show you the profit and the loss I had, and I will tell you if I use any potential opportunity I talk about. I will show you profit and the loss I had, and I will tell you if I use any potential opportunity I talk about the previous week on the market analysis video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.